that grew out of the devastation left by Typhoon Yolanda has helped a 20-year-old Filipina reach the finals of a cybersecurity competition in Sweden. The details from Patrick Camara Ropeta.
Here in the Swedish capital, the future of the next generation was top of the agenda at this year's cybersecurity conference. 12 students from around the world were invited to present an idea to IT professionals following regional competitions in Russia, Europe, Asia, and North America.
We live in a digital age where almost everything is online and on many different devices. Many of us at some point will be exposed to some security issues, from identity theft to spam and even hacking. And those are exactly the kind of problems that these students and experts are trying to solve.
Adeline Victoria Festin is among the 12, after ranking in the top 3 at the Asia-Pacific Regional Finals in Korea last March.
Of course, it's a great honor to be here and to represent the Philippines and bring the flag in the World Finals.
The 20-year-old recently graduated summa cum laude from the University of the Philippines in Diliman with a bachelor's degree in computer science. While studying, Festin and her team developed Communect, an alternative communication system using a local base attached to a computer with a USB. It's cheap and easy and designed for use in remote and disaster-stricken areas where communication networks are down or non-existent. The idea was inspired by the devastation of Typhoon Haiyan.
That's why we came to realize that there are actually a lot of applications where Communect could be useful. And that's where we actually coined the term Communect, because we realized that it could really be helpful for the community.
After grueling challenges, including multimedia presentations and a terrifying elevator pitch, Festin emerged as one of the better presenters at the competition. But despite a decent performance in the finals, she failed to secure any prizes, which this year went to candidates from Italy, Russia, and the UK. Festin still believes, however, that the Philippines could soon meet the demands of the emerging cybersecurity market, potentially creating more opportunities for young Filipinos.
Everything starts with awareness. I think we are catching up on the cybersecurity scene, and it is not very far from today that we will be fully aware and will be globally competitive at the area of cybersecurity.
IT security provider Kaspersky Lab hosted the event, hoping to attract more talent like Adeline and her fellow candidates.
Now we have really scary numbers because the world is really facing the dire shortage of cybersecurity professionals. And we need, by organizing such programs like our today's conference, we try to address this issue because the government and industry needs this new cyber generation.
Experts at the conference agreed the next generation needs better awareness of cybersecurity, citing unsecured and careless behavior from online users as the root of many problems.
I think it's basically done through education. So I think we should teach basically our youngsters, even at the primary school, to explain them about, well, security ideas and issues, and that they should be introduced to issues of security and also vulnerabilities. They should be a little bit careful. So it's all about education.
But for many of us, cyber threats are already becoming inevitable in our daily lives, from spam emails to stolen passwords and bank details.
I don't know if it's possible not to be hacked. I think the hackers are always one step ahead, because as soon as there's a solution to that, they're just one step ahead. But I think it's just taking precautions. I call it the new normal. I don't think there is a way, it's a new way of living that we have to get used to.
In this brave new world of constant cyber threats, experts agree that knowledge is the power we need for safety and protection. Patrick Ropeta, ABS-CBN News, Stockholm.